Welcome back to our series. This is Francis Online Tuition powered by Odum Business Consult. Okay, so I said we are going to look at the optional option. Okay, this one I added it to the original question. So it's not part of the original question, but I thought it wise to let you know something like this in case you meet it somewhere. You know how to go about it. Okay. So the option 6 is that redraft the trial balance after rectifying the errors, okay? Because this trial balance that we have here, it contains some mistakes. So after rectifying them, the examiner can ask you to redraft them to its original one, okay? So let's see what we can do. And in doing that, you have to really concentrate on the account that was affected by these errors, okay? The account that it was affected. So you have to reopen those accounts so that you can get new balances on that for you to transfer it to that account or from that account to the trial balance. Okay, so let's see. From our solution or from our workings, thanks be to God, we have them here. That's why I said you have to open this account. Okay, we've already opened those accounts that was affected by the errors. Okay, so we are not going to concentrate on the suspense. If you see suspense, ignore it, because the suspense we've already done with that, but rather the account in the trial balance that was affected. Okay, so we have sales account, we have office furniture, we have purchases, we have suppliers account, we have bank account, we have sales account again here. Okay, so you have to open those accounts. Okay, so if you see, we have more than one sales account, right? So here, what I would advise you to do is to open one account for that. So you open sales account only once, so that this balance here can be transferred to there. So let's do that. Okay, so we will come back to that, don't worry. So this is what you are supposed to do. You open the account that was affected by the errors or the mistake committed in the books. Okay, so we have sales account. So let's go back to the trial balance or the question. The sales account, do we have a balance on that? Yes. So the sales account, we have an opening balance of this 102,320. Okay, so we have to transfer this to the new account that we've opened. Okay, so let me copy from here. You just copy. Okay, so I come to my solution. If I have sales account here, so we will say balance brought forward. Okay, because we are bringing it from the trial balance brought forward, and the amount involved, we are talking of this. Okay, after you have to copy and come and write it here. Sorry for that. So here I have to paste my figure. It's giving me issues. Okay, so let me, how much? 102,320. So here 102,320. Okay, so balance brought forward. Don't forget that balance brought forward. Balance brought forward. Okay, it's 102,320 from the trial balance. Okay, from here, the sales, you trace it, this figure. Okay, so let's go to our workings again. Do we have any sales account somewhere that we have to combine it to only one sales account? Yes, we have this at the debit side, which is customers account 148. Okay, so come here, customers. Okay, customers, the amount is 148. Okay, 148. Let's go to, we have any other sales somewhere that we need to combine it? No, we don't have. So That's the sales account for you. Let's move on to office furniture. Okay, so office furniture, you come to the question. Office furniture. Come to the question. Do you have office furniture? It has been included here, even though the question didn't specify the fixed assets here. So we are presuming we have a balance of office furniture here. Or if you don't have, don't worry, it means that this is the only entry that you get it in the office furniture account. Okay, so at the end of the day, the balance brought down on this will be added to the fixed assets in the trial balance. We will do that when we get there. Don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about that. So we add the 14,400 to the fixed assets. Let's move on to the bank account. Okay, so we have bank account here, which has to do with an overdraft, a credit balance. Okay, so we post it from here. So here you come here, bank account, overdraft, OC. Okay, when you see OC, means an overdraft. Okay, OD, okay, or balance brought forward. If you get confused, just write balance brought forward. Okay, balance brought forward. We are bringing it out to the credit side because it is being found at the credit side of the bank account. Okay, and it is how much? 528. Okay, 528. 528. Do you have any other bank account entry? Do we have it? No, we don't have it. Then let's move on to this one. We've already transferred sundry expenses. Okay, sundry expenses. Let's check. Do we have sundry expenses in the question or in the trial balance? We have something like that. Yes, we have sundry expenses of 26,616. Okay, so we copy this figure. I'll copy this figure. I'll come here, come and paste it. Okay, so you add it to this one. Sundry balance brought forward. Balance brought forward. Okay, how much? Let me paste. Okay, we have it here, 26,616. So sundry expenses, is there any? No, there's no other entry for that. I say ignore suspense account, office furniture. Okay, let's move on to purchases. Okay, so we have purchases account, which has to 72,408. Okay, so we copy balance brought forward. It is being found it at the debit side. So we come here, balance brought forward. Okay, we have balance brought forward. Balance brought forward. Okay, we are done with that. 72,308. Okay, so let's move on to the other one. We have creditors or suppliers account. So let's go to our question. Do you have anything relating to them? Yes, creditors. Their figure is 2,456. Okay, copy. You come here, you come and paste it as balance brought forward. So you see how easy it is if you see something like this. Okay, just follow what you are seeing on the screen. Okay, now we are done with that. Let's move on. Customers. Do you have customers? Let's go back to our question. Yes, we have customers, which is in the other words they are known as debtors. Okay, so we copy their balance here, balance carried brought forward. We copy, we come here, customers account balance brought forward. Okay, So we paste it here nicely. We paste it here nicely, okay? So I said ignore suspense account. So I think we have done with all the account that was affected by the errors, okay? So when you are done with the posting, then what is left for you to do is to balance off the account to get the new balances, okay, to be transferred to the trial balance. So I will end this presentation on this series. Then the upcoming one, we will look at how to balance off this so that we can get new balances to be transferred to the trial balance. Thank you very much for watching, and see you